Whoa! This guy's so strong!
We are at Chau Happy Moo Ranch. I think this place might be some sort of factory or store. The entrance is free, but then they do sell products that you can buy. And there's a lot of really cute cows. There's a lot of photo ops for cow moo here.
Well, I can do that pose. I'm so strong. This is Bruce Lee. You can buy koi fish food and you can feed them to the koi fish. There's a bunch. Here you go. Sturgeon, sturgeon. I'm about to feed them a handful of food. Here you go.
Look at that one. We're gonna check out the chocolate shop.
This is the bread shop.
We just got a whole bunch of bread and it cost 300 NT, which is $10. Soft serve at Happy Moo Ranch. Oh wow!
It's good.
Dang, this is different from like soft serve at home. It's more milky.
It tastes fresh.
Now we're going to the pizza shop. From the bakery, it's some bacon stick. We're going to feed the cows. I've never done it like this before.
Come on, happy cow. Happy cow. This one, eat it. Whoa, this guy's so strong. They're such happy cows.
And that is Chau Happy Moo Ranch.
I really like all the different things that you can do here. It's such a small place, but it's so fun. You can feed the cows, feed the koi fish, and their soft serve is it's so good.
Land-wise, this place isn't too big, but we were able to spend a whole afternoon here. First, we just walked around, took pictures, then we fed the cows, then we ate the cows' milk. And yeah, overall, we had a really good time. It's free to enter, but of course, you're gonna pay for the stuff to do.
See you in the next video. Bye!